My cooking for today is I have tuna with vegetables. I have onion, garlic, tomatoes, and green bell pepper and chili small. And I have sashimi. This is my all ingredients. And later I show you how I make it. And first I show you my ingredients, guys. And this is it. Thank you for watching. This is Annie PH Vlogs, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments and share, guys. And again, thank you so much and more power. God bless us all. And bye bye, guys. I love you all.